Yeah, there are wide variety of jobs out there. Minimum requirement is to get the bachelor degree first. It depend on actually the job you are looking for. But most job require bachelor degree and some sort of experience. But for entry level, you don't need any kind of experience. It's just that's why you should go to job fair. On the spot there is a interview, and they pick up right there. So I would encourage everyone to go to job fair and apply, get an interview, apply, and take your job
So at the job fair, they interview at the spot.
at the spot. So all
Do
you
they
need,
make a decision at the spot?
yeah, they usually give you a result right there. They're gonna say, what, we will call you, follow up. And and the good part is that you just have to bring your resume, and that's it. They will on the spot interview, and they call you for